Hello, fellas. Comment, subscribe, and share. Black Lives Matter. Today we're going to talk about who the hottest is, who the hottest rapper alive is among Lil TJ, Lil Baby, Da Baby, NBA Youngboy, Fredo Bang, Roddy Ricch, Lil Deck, and many more. Okay, probably there are rumors going around. There are rumors going around that 6ix9ine is the greatest of all time. 6ix9ine is the king of New York. Lil TJ is the king of New York. NBA Youngboy is the greatest of all time. Lil Baby is the greatest. Da Baby is the great. So probably you want to know about your thoughts. What do people think about who people think is the greatest of all time? Who people think is the hardest rapper alive? So you're probably going to read comments. Probably give us songs that you think, whoa, NBA Youngboy did this song, so probably the greatest of all time. Roddy Ricch did this song, so it's probably the greatest of all time. We're going to read comments. Who do you think is the greatest of all time? Who do you think is the best rapper alive? Who do you think is the best rapper? So probably reading comments. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share as well. Baton Rouge City TV. NBA. Rest in peace to G Money. Rest in peace to Buzella. Rest in peace to Juice WRLD. Rest in peace to all the fallen soldiers. Forever gone bang. We go.